Greetings. Today we're going to talk about how to land an FPV drone. First things first, we're going to take off. And I'm going to talk about the easiest way to land a drone. So we just switched from horizon mode to arrow mode, or manual mode, as some people refer to it as. And in manual mode, it's all manual. There's no software helping you fly. So you're going about, you're flying your air, you're having fun, you're dodging trees, your battery's getting low, and it's getting time to land, right? So what are you going to do? Well, you're going to switch back to that horizon mode because it's going to make it much easier to slow down and control that forward velocity than when you're in arrow mode. And then you're going to approach your landing zone. So in this case, I have an Amazon box folded flat, and that's my target. So my moving velocity is now sub 10 kilometers an hour. I'm just right above the ground, just holding the drone steady. And once I get close to that box, I'm going to hit disarm and it's going to drop to the ground. Boom. That's exactly what you want. Let's look at that again. We're approaching in arrow mode. Battery's low, 8 minutes of flight time. Switch to horizon mode. Now we're slowing down from like the 30 kilometers an hour or higher, trying to get as slow as we can go without going forward anymore. A lot easier in horizon mode because that software is keeping that drone perfectly level for us. So now it's just kind of floating up and down above the ground. I'm going to get it as close to the target as possible, like ideally right over it with, only a few meters of lift, and then hit my disarm button. So there's no way to land this thing like an airplane because it doesn't have wings. So just, again, the idea is to get it as close to the target as possible, moving as slow as possible, and then disarm it. You're killing the power to the motors, and it's just going to drop from the sky and land safely, hopefully on a soft surface like wet grass. In any case, that's all I got for you today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you around.